Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. And in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you. And this is a very underrated designer house from from Holland, from Netherlands. Or at least I think originally they come from Netherlands, okay, and or are they Belgians? I'm doubting myself now. Okay, anyway, so either Dutch or Belgian designer brand, and they have a very extensive fragrance portfolio, men and women, and I bought many of their fragrances during my journey of this hobby, probably more than 10 of them, and they all smell nice, decent performance, and the positive thing about them, they are very reasonable or very cheap. For example, this Beauty, which is a big name, so this one is called Ulric de Varens. So Ulric de Varens is the brand, which is, as I said, is either Dutch or Belgium, and this one in particular called Vision Black, Jacques Saint Press Natural Eau de Toilette 100 ml. It's a big name. I'll leave it in the description anyway. If you want to do your research, you could do that. So without further ado, let's do unbox it. But if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. I will appreciate your support. Thank you very much, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So this one I paid under £10. Again, it's a very cheap. And we'll see how it goes. As I said, usually with this brand, the performance is decent. They're not big, but they're decent. Okay, so here we go. Got a simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Okay, so very simple bottle. It says Vision Black. Plastic cap and atomizer. Not bad. It's not very good, but it's not bad either. It does the job. Okay, here we go. So Vision Black by Ulric de Varens, and this one is called Jacques Saint Press Eau de Toilette, and this one is Vision Black. Here we go. Fresh, so very fresh, very uplifting, very inviting, aquatic, sweet, bit of florals, especially lavender. Yeah, so it's very fresh, aromatic, aquatic fragrance, and it's one of those smells that is done many times before. It's quite class on the classic side. It's quite it gives it a little bit of barbershopy feel to it as well, but overall very fresh, very uplifting, and very inviting. This is better suited for warmer weather, definitely, but right now it opens very nice. A little bit of citrus, and then you know, the mid is dominated by florals, especially the lavender, and the mid in the base there's a woody aspect. I'm suspecting it to be cedar, and it's got a little bit of depth to it. Maybe there's an ambery feel to it as well, a little bit, not much, but overall fresh, masculine, quite on the classic side, aromatic, very good for warmer weather, but under £10, it's quite nice. Smells decent. Yeah, smells like a little bit of soapiness as well, a little bit shower jelly as well. It's like one of those fragrances you put on after you come out of the shower. Overall, it's very nice. You have to wait and see is the performance. If the performance is decent, then it's quite a nice fragrance for what I paid for it. But again, if the performance is poor, then it would be difficult to recommend it. But we have to wait and see. I'll let you know in the next video the development, the longevity and things like that. Okay guys, thank you very much. If you know it, if you have it, let us know in the comment. If you know any other Ulric de Varens fragrance that you think is worth our money, mention it as well. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to hit those buttons if you'd like to purchase one of my own fragrances. They are out of this world. They are super artistic, very unique, very intriguing, and very super beast mode. The only thing is you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.